taking your birth control and randomly thought, what even is in this pill and how is it created? I remember when I was on birth control, I would sometimes think, how can this one tiny pill affect my body so much? Digging into the history of birth control can help us increase our understanding of the pill and exactly what we're putting into our bodies. First, I'll explain exactly what oral birth control is, and then I will discuss the history of the pill. Okay. This is an example of what birth control looks like. Oral contraceptives are pills which contain hormones that women take to not get pregnant. The pill is not only used for avoiding pregnancy, but also for balancing hormones, regulating menstrual cycles, helping menstrual cramps, and reducing acne. The pills come in a pack and you take one daily, every day at the same time. The last week of the pills, you get your menstrual cycle. There are two different types of birth control pills. The first is combination pills, which have estrogen and progesterone. The other pill is progesterone only, which only contains progesterone. The pill prevents our ovaries from releasing an egg every month, which is ovulation. Stop. It also thickens the mucus in the cervix, so it makes it harder for sperm to swim and get to the egg. When taken correctly, this pill is 99% effective. The actual contraceptive pill was created during the 1950s by Dr. Gregory Pincus. His partner, which pushed for the making of the pill, was Margaret Sanger. In the year 1914, she invented the term birth control. In 1916, she opened the very first birth control clinic in the United States. In 1921, she founded the American Birth Control League. She was not happy with the limited birth control options such as condoms, and she wanted something more advanced for women. Not only was she concerned for unwanted pregnancies, but she also believed it would immensely help population control. Margaret met Dr. Pincus in 1951 and they got started on the magic pill. The summer of 1955, Dr. Pincus visited Puerto Rico and he thought it would be the perfect place to test the pill on women. He thought it was perfect because he believed it could help in poverty there. The trial started in 1956. The pharmaceutical company named GD Searle provided the pills for the trials. The pill had just progesterone originally, but they soon found out that little amounts of estrogen made it work better. The pill was 100% effective when taken correctly, but 17% of women in the study had nausea, dizziness, stomach pain, headaches, and vomiting. It was thought to be because the dose of progesterone was too high, but Dr. Pincus didn't think so. Since then, the dosage of the pill has been lowered and the side effects have reduced as well. The FDA approved of the first oral contraceptive in 1960. Within the first 2 years of distributing it, 1.2 million American women were using it. Since the introduction of birth control, 300 million women around the world have used oral contraceptives. Today I informed you on oral contraceptives. We know now what oral contraceptives are and the history behind the pill. Next time you're taking your birth control pill, you know exactly what is going into your body and how the little pill came to be.